Working on my Ford E350 today. It's got a V10 Triton, and the other day for some reason it would not start. Now I've replaced the battery, so it's new. I replaced the starter earlier in the year, so it should still be good. I've got it narrowed down to a few things that I'm going to test out, and I figured I'd just take y'all along with me to see which one works and which one doesn't. I'm starting out today. I've got a camshaft position sensor, which I did some research, and it could potentially be this. I've got my spotlight so that I can show y'all what I'm looking at. So the first thing, I've got my sensor here, and I'll go ahead and show you where it's located at. If we look down in here, it is right there where my light's shining, where that's clipped in right there. So we're gonna need to remove the air filter and everything, which this right here, you just unclip it, and this pulls out, and here's the air filter. That whole piece just comes out just like that. This section, there's 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Uh, 5/16 also works on these hose clamps. Okay. There we go. Now you pull that out. Looks like there's a plug-in for it, but I'm not gonna do anything but just set it off to the side here. Gonna set my bolts right in here where they came out of, just so I don't have to look for them later. Take my screwdriver. There we go. Got it unplugged. I hope you can see that down in there. I'm doing my best. Got our 5/16 wrench. See? Just like that, we got it out. Take the new sensor. Take it, start that by hand. That way you don't cross thread it. Okay, now we take it after we're getting tightened down, plug it back up, and then put everything back together. So we'll take it and we'll pull those bolts back out. So back into place. Make sure this is in here. Click that back, just like that. Got it all put back together. The camshaft position sensor, it did not help it start. So looks like we gotta go on to the next. So stay tuned for the next video and we'll see what actually helps this thing to start. God bless. Have a wonderful day. If you stuck around this long, subscribe, comment, like, whatever you want to do. God bless. The more you know, the more valuable you are.